I'm back with today's eye look, and I use this color, which is above my crease and into the brow bone. This color is in my crease and above my crease. This color is on my lid, and this color is in the inner tear duct and underneath right here, and this color is right here. These are the colors I used to do from the palette. My face powder is from Sephora. It's the pressed powder foundation. It's in 68 Deep Mocha. I think this is way too dark for me. It is way too dark. I was trying to use it, but it's too dark. It has a grayish undertone. Here it is. This is it. This is it. So it's a little gray. I'm wearing a pink lipstick, and that's it. This is today's look. Makeup of the day. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And today, words of encouragement. Stay uplifted. Find something to keep you uplifted. Keep your head above water. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.